With CTrax, there are multiple ways on setting up insurance requirements. One way is by using provider types to set up any number of various provider types based on the type of services or products particular vendors provide. As an example, here you can see we have a set of insurance requirements for providers that fall into facilities, flooring contractor, general, heavy construction, and landscaping. You can also view the number of sublimits each provider has, and by clicking on Edit, you can modify it further by adding more coverages, modifying the existing coverages, or by making other modifications to the template. Saving the template allows you to associate any service providers that are in CTrax with the provider type templates. On this list of service providers, you can see that 4 have provider types associated with them. Every COI that gets imported from the provider Bruce Derrick will have the coverages compared to the landscaping provider type template. If the COI is non-compliant, it is because the COI is not complying with the landscaping provider type template of requirements. The other way of setting up insurance requirements is by using the project management side of CTrax, which allows you to set up unique insurance requirements for each project. Within the project window, you can view the projects along with their providers and the coverages that are assigned to the project based on the provider. To modify the project requirements, click on the Insurance Requirements tab, and then you can go through the same process of building requirements for the project. CTrax allows you to select a provider template that has been set up, or you can build a unique configuration by selecting the type of coverages and modifying it. With these 2 ways of setting up insurance requirements, you can take full advantage of CTrax's automated features.